Hello YouTube, today I'm going to teach you how to make a simple maze game in Visual Basic 2008. So please watch my other videos, subscribe to me, and do whatever else you can do. So go to open up Visual Basic 2008, make a new Windows form and call it maze. Okay. First off, you can you can add a label and when I get there, and you can go to properties and you can type how to play. Okay, then type stay on the blue period if you go on to the red, go back to start, and to get to the next level, get to next and click it, and that's all you really have to type. And you can probably even make this smaller if you want, and you can center it, whatever. Just for time, I'm not gonna center the form or anything, name it. So now you want to add a new form, and you want to go back to form 1. You want to add a button to form 1. You can call the button anything you want really, but I'm just going to say start because that makes the most sense. Alright, when you get to that, go back. You want to type me.hide, and you want to type form2.show. Go to form 2. Alright, you have to go all the way to the bottom and open Visual Basic Power Pack. Now, sometimes people have it, sometimes you don't. Mine just had it. So you want to add a square that goes and fills the whole entire screen. Or not the screen, but the form. And you want to call it, just give me a sec, sorry. You want to go to properties. You want to make sure it's not transparent, it's opaque. You probably want to make it red. Well, or you can make it any color as long as you change the how to play. And then you go back here and you can add a rectangle, and you want to go back to properties, make sure it's not transparent, it's opaque. You want to make it blue, and when you get that, you can copy it, make it any shape of a rectangle you want. You can even add circles, which I've done before. Just makes it interesting. Oops. Okay, now you want to add one label. You want to change that to start. Properties, you want to name it start. And then you can go back and you can add a button. Now you want to put it here. You want to name it next. Now you want to go back to design and double click the rectangle and change click to mouse, enter, and then go back over, and there's another click, you have to change that to mouse, enter, enter. Now you want to say button 1 dot enabled equals equals false. Then you want to go back to design, double click start, and name, and same thing with click, change that to mouse, enter, mouse, enter, and type button 1 dot enabled equals true. Now go back to the form and double click next and just say me dot hide and form 3 dot show, and then you want to add another form, and you can change the properties to make it go back, add a label, go to properties, change the label's color to red or whatever color you want. Okay, now you want to make the size probably about 25. Do you want to change the name to like under construction? And that way, if you want to save it, or you can always come back to it later. And so that's really how you make the, oh sorry, I messed up, I have to add a second E. That's how you make a maze game. You start, and you can even make a cheat where if you can make the next button all the way over here, so you can go from start and you can just click it right here, go around from here over and click it, but I didn't do that this time. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye.